Hey everyone, this is Tiger for Farang Airsoft, and we have a product review now, a new product from G&G. It's the M.E.T. So it just came today. The box is actually a little bit smaller than I expected, but yeah, everything is inside. Battery are included, but I'm not sure how long they will last, but they include 5 sets of battery for each one, and you have the cables, and yeah, and little manual on the box, so maybe good for you not put away. And yeah, I'll show you a little demonstration, and hopefully I will be able to take it on the field for testing with BBs soon. I'll keep you updated on that. So here's the little demonstration of the M.E.T. from G&G. Okay, here is the unit. As you can see, the cables are not very long. I suppose you can buy some cables at the electronics store, similar cables, but and hopefully G&G will sell them maybe as an accessory. I'll start it up, show you one of the 4 modes. Okay, so here's the demonstration of the random mode. Random is when you hit the first target, the master target, the yellow one, the other 4 will go on random, and you have to hit them all to finish the round. Okay, so here is the demonstration. Go! Finish!